Namaste friends, welcome back to TechZone. In this video, we are going to see some key concepts, view, view group and pixel. Have you ever wondered how every element on your Android app is displayed with such precision? From buttons to images, every tiny detail is made possible by understanding a few key concepts, pixels, views and view groups. How do pixels actually work on different devices? What exactly is the difference between a view and a view group? And why does it matter for your app development? Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned Android developer, mastering these fundamental building blocks is crucial for creating smooth, responsive, and visually appealing applications. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of how pixels, views, and view groups work together in Android Studio to bring your app's UI to life. So let's get started. Every mobile phone is composed of little bulbs or dots. These small bulbs glows or blinks in different colors to give pictures on mobile phone screens. These little bulbs are called pixels and are so small that human eye cannot see them. Pixels are the smallest unit of a display that makes up everything you see on your screen. The number of pixels that fit within a certain space known as pixel density. Greater the number of pixels on mobile screens, greater the picture quality you will get to see. Look into the displayed images. Here we have two mobile screens. Left side has less amount of pixels where right side has greater amount of pixel, and you can see the difference of picture quality where right side image is more clearer than the left side image. So the greater amount of pixels, the greater quality image you can see. For example, when you see the round ball on mobile screen, it is actually these pixels which are glowing in the orange color. The pixels glows or blinks according to the image which should be displayed on the screen. Next, we have units of measurement for pixels. In Android, dp, sp, px and dip are the units of measurement used to define dimensions in the layout and design of Android applications. Each of these units serves a specific purpose, particularly related to screen density and text size. First, we have dp, that is density independent pixels. The purpose of dp is it is a unit of measurement that is density independent. It is recommended to specify dimensions in layouts to ensure consistent visual size across different screen densities. In this example, the width and height of the text view are set to the 100 dp and 50 dp respectively. So here the specified density will be consistent across all different screen which will be visible. Across all different screen on which the image or text will be displayed. Next we have SP, that is scale independent pixels. SP is similar to DP, but it is specially used for defining text size. It takes into account the user's preferred text size setting in the device system settings. So here what the user has set the text size in his system settings, the text will be displayed accordingly in the UI screens. Next we have px, that is pixel. Px is the most basic unit and represents a single pixel on the screen. It is not recommended to specify dimensions in layouts due to its lack of density independence. In this example, the width and height of the image view are set to the 200 pixel and 100 pixel respectively. So as the layouts will be considering most modules, so it is preferred to not to use px in the layouts due to lack of density independence. Next we have DIP, that is density independent pixels. DIP is an older term of DP and the two can be used interchangeably. Both represent density independent pixels. Here the padding is set to 10 DIP, which means 10 density independent pixels. So it is the older version of DP. Let's move on to views. What is view? View is the basic building block of UI components. Anything that you see and interact with on screen is a view, consisting of fixed quality of pixels. Android SDK provide built-in views, buttons, checkbox, edit text, text view, radio buttons, and etc. These views are called widgets or UI components in Android application. So view is nothing but anything that you see and interact with screen. Next, what is view group? A view group is a special type of view that contains multiple child views. Multiple views combine to form a view group. It is a container for views and other view groups, allowing you to create complex and hierarchical UI layouts. Multiple views combine to form a view group. It is a container for views and other view groups, allowing you to create complex and hierarchical UI layouts. So view group is nothing but collections of multiple views or collection of multiple child views which has one parent view. Here are some differences between view and view groups. Take a screenshot of it or pause the video for a while. Make sure that you read it once for a clear picture of content explained. So in this video, we have seen views, view groups and pixels. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth Android development tutorials. Also, don't forget to drop a comment below if you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover next. Thank you.